ChatGPT and Jasper, the biggest AI writers of this decade, are both currently not working. And no one is sure who is responsible. Many have speculated it could be either Elon Musk or Jeff Bezos, as they are both powerful figures in the industry. But there are some who believe Google may have something to do with it as well. When the issue first arose, many assumed hackers were behind it. Hackers are thought to be responsible. After all, hackers have been known to target services like ChatGPT and Jasper in the past. However, as the investigation continued, it became clear that the problem was not a result of any malicious activities. Instead, it appears the issue was caused by a software glitch, specifically in the code that runs the two services. The exact details of the glitch are still unclear, but it is believed the glitch may have been caused by the developers' overlook before releasing it. Unfortunately, despite the best efforts of the developers, the glitch has had a significant impact on both ChatGPT and Jasper. Many users have been unable to use the services and have been left frustrated. So who is ultimately responsible for this issue? At the end of the day, the developers need to take responsibility for the glitch and make sure it does not happen again. However, it is also important to remember that companies like Google, Amazon, and Elon Musk have a responsibility to provide safe and secure services for their customers. Until the issue is resolved, it is best to avoid using ChatGPT and Jasper until the problem is solved. Follow us for more updates on ChatGPT.